Hello, good afternoon. Mark Ismonleon here for your we have here ma-unbox ulit tayo guys, no. Isa itong nakita ko sa Shopee. Nabili ko to sa Shopee. 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 And then guys, I think this has been on sale during the time, pero hindi naman siya ganong presyo guys, no. So ito ay isang mouse, gaming mouse. So yes, there are a lot of good particular dyan sa mouse na pang gaming, pero depende sa kung susulit ba sa budget, sa budget natin. So basically guys, no, ito yun. So we're gonna unpack this one up. Okay, so here we go. And nasa nakita nyo guys, model P81S. Tanggalan natin, no? Ano kaya yan? Anong model kaya yan? So okay, it's from A4Tech. So powered by A4Tech with RGB. Okay, so ito, it's the we have here the Bloody P81S RGB gaming mouse, high precise 8000 CPI. So ito yun guys, no. We have here different types of mga rates niya. 256K onboard memory, adjustable X and Y axis. So my 2000 Hz report rate, 6 weapon modes of left key, and then Bloody S customization engine. So I think supported ito, may software ata to. And then may nakalagay na, no, activated ultra core 3 and 4. So based on what I have read, you know, I think we have to purchase if you wanna use this particular additional feature, which is and then we have here the RGB 16.8M colors. So yes, so I think if we wanna open this one up, this is the box. Okay, here. So secret weapon po, may nakalagay, oh. Secret weapon codes. So basically guys, nasa website naman ni Bloody ang ganito makikita. If you wanna check the model for this one, so andun. So again, I'm gonna open this one up to check talaga the feature. Kung maybe I can't really play with this one, but I have to switch on like the other mouse that I've used to, yung mga budget mouse, pero di ko pa na-upload due to time. Hindi pa na kasi na-upload yung mga yung mga best mga lang okay na budget. Hindi ko lang kasi masasabi pa matagalan yung sinasabi kong budget. So included up here dito sa mouse na to. So we have here the lagay ko dito sa gilid guys, no. Here. So we have here the, okay, saan ba to? Siguro ilayo ko lang. Sorry. Okay, so we have here the P881. We have the box. Okay, so kasama nitong box is may secret weapon software. Okay, so it's a paper. May stickers. Okay, from Bloody. Okay, stickers guys. Okay, and then wala akong nakitang manual guys, no. Siguro because it is already written na naman sa no, yung mga ganun. So basically it's a mouse. Okay, so opening right now. Here. Tanggal ko na guys, no? So here's the tabi ko lang to. Here's the Bloody mouse, the P8 1S. Okay, so may kabigatan medyo. Okay, sorry for that one. So again, it's powered by A4 Tech. So yes, I think na nalagay ito sa specification lahat naman doon sa ano, sa website niya. And then braided yung ano, cables niya. So I want to connect this one, yung kurang kita ko yung RGB. But I won't be saying that I won't be no. Get the red no. So USB. And bam. We have here power on. Our ano lang guys, no, yung design niya based on what I've seen right now, may ano same lang sa mga may mga ano, alam mo na yung mga like budget mouse device, yung mga bundled with keyboard. So ganito guys, no. So far sa mga ano natin, papakita natin, no? We have here. Okay naman yung transferring niya. Okay, that's good. So basically again, yun lang ang pin-unbox ko. Thank you guys for watching. This is a P881S Bloody A4 Tech mouse device. Thank you. Bye.